Hi folks, we are at Surfside Condominiums. So look at this custom arrow. That's cool. I'll save you the time. Did it go to B? Damn it. Oh, never mind. I have the worst luck.
Yeah.
Of course, there's only one working right now.
I know, it's the worst.
Maybe it'll come with you. You first. No problem.
What floor?
Now I see why they're upgrading them.
Have
a good day. Look at this shit show of a COP. Yeah, so they, oh fuck. Going up? Wow, stupid. Well, yeah, I guess that, what the fuck? What the fuck? Oh, I'm sorry.
You're okay.
This thing was going up, all of a sudden it literally just reversed itself, so I guess. Oh no. Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Oh, no, you're okay. This elevator is really kind of scary, to be honest.
Yeah. The thing is, I was going down. Let's see now. Hopefully it'll get me down.
What floor are you
This is a lot.
Oh,
How you doing? Everybody's here, huh?
on?
This thing just.
What's
How
up?
you doing?
Hey, how are you?
Good.
Hi.
Crazy.
Don't worry, no one's on video.
No, you're good.
I'm just doing this for a personal project. So.
No, you're good. No problem. Oh my god. What are you guys up to?
Nothing. We're about to walk to go get some food.
Oh, nice. What are you guys getting? So we're on here?
Dunkin' Donuts. We
Dunkin'.
just want donuts.
No.
She wanted to make it sound legit, but
Nice.
it's just for donuts.
Hey, plug, baby.
Yeah. Yesterday I walked through the McDonald's drive-through line, so I'm already on this.
Oh yeah, at the Burger King on Howard, everyone has to go through the exit, so there's just a whole crowd outside the window.
Yeah.
What's the best way to do it?
It's
kinda
fun.
to
It's
be
it's
honest.
it's new.
See ya.
Yeah, this thing apparently didn't get any higher than 11 before just saying fucking, just grabbing literally every call, down or up. And then we'll end it on 2. If we even get that far in this thing. These are really glitchy. Whew. Well, we made it to 2. Alright. Oh shit. Wow. Guess that's the elevator.